By turning your image into a link, you're giving your users more options to navigate your site. Now they can click an image or a text and they're taken to that particular page. Let me show you how to do something like that. Hey, welcome. My name is Shem Ogweno, and this is video number 13 in our HTML series for absolute beginners. In this video, you will turn your image into a link. Let me show you. In the previous video, we saw how to turn a text into a link, and the link pointed outside of our site. And then we created an ordered list, and the item in that list pointed to another page within our site. If you need a refresher, I will have a link on the screen for that video. On my desktop, I have a document named index.html, and I've gone ahead and added some placeholders context. Now we can focus turning our image into a link. If we look this page on the browser, this is how it looks. If you click read more, it takes you to that story. If you click an image, nothing happens. But now we want to turn this image to a link whereby it's pointing to this destination. And to do that, we need to wrap our image into an anchor tag. So we'll start by adding our anchor tag. And to turn this into a link, we need to copy this anchor tag and the href that points to coding.html and paste it in front of our image. And when we save that on the browser, let's reload. And if you click an image, it takes you now to that page. And if you go back and click the text, it takes you to the same page. And there you have it, turning your image into a link. Now you can practice to turn your image into a link, and your link can point outside of your site or within your site. In the next video, you will learn how to create tables in HTML. Thanks for watching, and get time to code. I'll see you in the next one.